This video is generated by artificial intelligence. The image is generated by Leonardo.ai. The script is generated by ChatGPT. The text-to-audio conversion is done by 11 Labs, and finally, the image-to-video conversion is done by DID. Would you like to create a video like this? Let me show you the process step by step.
Step 1. Create an image for your avatar. Go to Leonardo.ai. Click on Create Instant Access to create a free account. Fill in the required information, and indicate that you are an existing whitelist user. Once your account has been created, you'll be taken to the Leonardo.ai interface. In the Leonardo interface, click on AI Image Generation. Type your prompt, instructions, to generate an image. You can also use images previously generated by the community. Browse the available images and choose the one that best suits your avatar. You can also modify the prompt to personalize the image. Then click here to download the image. Step 2. Generate the script with ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to generate a script for your video. Tell ChatGPT that you want to write a short introduction for a YouTube video about creating an avatar from a photo. Copy the script generated by ChatGPT. Step 3. Create a voice for your avatar. Go to 11 Labs, beta.11labs.com, and log into your account. Paste the introduction script generated by ChatGPT into the 11 Labs tool. Customize the script if necessary to make it shorter and more punchy. Choose a voice, for example,
Artificial intelligence. The image is generated by Leonardo.ai. The script is generated by ChatGPT. The text-to-audio conversion is done by 11 Labs, and finally, the image-to-video conversion is done by
Generate the audio file corresponding to the introductory script. Step 4. Creating the final video with DID. Access DID, DID.io, a program for creating avatars from photos, text or video. Register for free or log into your account. Use your available credits to create a video. Import your avatar generated from the previous image. Add the introduction audio file to the avatar. Let the application automatically generate the video with the avatar's voice and image.
Thank you for watching.
Step 5. Download the final video in MP4 format. You can then publish this video on the platforms of your choice, such as YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok.
Thank you for watching this tutorial video. If you found it helpful and would like to support the AI tutorial channel, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay updated and receive more tutorials like this one.